Authority makes it super easy for you to get clients. So if you're just starting your business, you need to build authority fast. Hi, my name is Ademusoyo, and I help online business owners create content that attracts, nurtures, and converts their audience into paying customers. Developing your personal brand online is one of the greatest ways for you to establish trust and build community amongst your followers. By the end of this video, you are going to learn 5 ways in which I am continuously building authority with my personal brand. The number one thing that you need to do is state your intentions. It's important that your audience knows what they can expect from you, and you're continuously spreading that message amongst your followers on any platform that you choose to create content on. It's important that you understand your mission and your values, and you're embodying them throughout the course of you building your business and building your brand online. Before we dive any deeper into this video, write in the comments down below, what is your why for your business? What is your mission? What values are you embodying? Let me know in the comments below, and let's talk about it. The next thing you need to do is to create consistent content on social media. I talk about this a lot more in detail in my content strategy for personal brands video, but essentially consistency is really gonna be the driving factor of how you're going to be able to build authority and really gain trust with your audience online. It's important that you're not only being consistent, but you're also creating quality content, and you're also embodying what your mission, what your values are with the content that you're creating on social media on a consistent basis. It's also really important that you have a call to action when you are creating content, inviting people to either join your email list, to comment down below, to reply to a tweet, to message you on Instagram. Whatever it is, you want to make sure that you're taking people to the next step of your journey. So we've talked about how you can attract your audience to build authority, and now we're going to dive deeper into how you're going to nurture your audience to further your authority in your field. The next thing you want to do is you want to build your email list. So there's been a lot of push on social media where people are always telling you to build your email list, to always have your email list. And the reason why is because your email list is the only thing that you really own outside of your website in the online space. And so you want to keep pushing people so that while platforms keep changing or algorithms keep changing, you have a steady stream of loyal people to nurture and continue to grow with them. And it's important that you're consistently emailing your email list so that they know what they can expect from you, and really carrying what your mission and your values are outside of social media into other forms of content that you're creating. The next thing you should do is focus on long form SEO content. So we've talked a little bit about social media and how social media is really good at attracting your audience and keeping you at the top of mind of your followers. But when you invest in long form SEO driven content, you're allowing your expertise to sort of work on autopilot without you having to be there all the time, and you're just kind of continuing to double down on what it is that you're good at, what it is that you know, and you can grow your business that way. So I highly recommend that you invest in either video or blogging to sort of really get those people who are searching for a solution who may not see you every single day on social media. The next thing is you want to repurpose your content. You need to work smarter and not harder. It's not always about coming up with brand new ideas all the time. It's really about creating a set of ideas and continuing to repurpose them and repackage them and really revamp them so that people can know what it is that you're good at, what it is that you're talking about, and what it is that you want to be known for. So definitely go back into the archives, something that you may have posted a few months ago, and really double down on it and talk about it again in a different format and a different method. The key to building authority is to have your content match your business goals and your values. If you're a little confused as to what you need in order to get your content to feel in alignment to your brand and your business, my content assessment will give you exactly the tools and the resources that you need. Click the link in my description box so you can go take it now. Thanks so much for watching this video. Be sure to click this video right here and let me know in the comments below, what is your mission for your business? I'll talk to you guys next week. Bye.